Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you what is the significance of these numbers that you see here. I'm sure many of you, those who use this electronic drill, don't understand the meaning of these numbers that you see 1 2 1 3 5 up to 25 in most of the modern electronic drills. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, these numbers signify torque level. Now when you drill, okay, there are multiple factors that determine how much force the machine is going to use. First of all, how much you are going to press this trigger. The harder you press, like harder, more force will go over there. Then this level 1, level 2, okay. Now why this torque level is important? Because depending upon the surface where you are drilling, you need to provide the correct amount of force. Because if you apply too much of force, it will, like if you suppose you are pushing the screw will break into the wood or anything that you are doing, and if you do less, it will be very slow. Now let me give you a demo. Okay, now let's say this is a wooden surface, so I have set my electronic drill on this drill level, okay, and I'm setting it at a very low torque level. Okay, and now I'm gonna drill with the equal force I will use. So I'll put it here. See, I have put the maximum. It's on the level 2 and it's at a torque level. It is still going through, but not at the speed you would really like to, right? After pushing a lot, it has just gone up to here. Okay, now let me increase the torque level here. Now these are certain things like how much you need for a surface and other things. These things you will learn based on experience. Okay, the more you practice, the more you will learn. Yeah, now I can even do more. Okay, maximum I am now let me show you. Ready, go. You can see right away it is doing, like you can see the amount that is falling around. And see, easily it is going through. And done. Okay, you see it has gone through. Okay, so that is how these things work, guys, and you need to do proper practice to understand all this. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.